The Skatinger Inflatable Paddleboard stands out with its extra-wide 35-inch platform, providing exceptional stability for beginners and families, and ample room for pets or children to join in the fun. Designed to support up to 450 pounds, this paddleboard accommodates multiple riders comfortably, making it perfect for family outings or group adventures without sacrificing performance. Transporting the board is made easy with a durable 1680 denier fabric backpack and 3 strategically placed handles, ensuring convenient handling whether on your own or with assistance. A 10-inch US fin enhances the board's maneuverability, allowing for smooth, straight gliding and reducing effort during long-distance paddling on diverse waterscapes. The dual bungee system offers practical storage solutions, securing all your gear from coolers to fishing equipment, making it ideal for extended trips or casual day outings. Crafted from high-quality PVC with a dual-layer sidewall, this paddleboard is highly resistant to abrasion, ensuring longevity and safety with features like an ankle leash for added security.